Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to delete a template in your Asana workspace. Whether you've created a template for a specific project or task type and no longer need it, I'll walk you through the process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing in to Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign in to your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your admin dashboard, where you can manage all your tasks, projects, and templates. Step 2. Navigating to your templates. Next, head over to the left side of the screen and click on Projects. As you know, templates in Asana are typically created for projects or tasks. You won't find a general template section, but rather you'll find templates within the individual projects themselves. To access them, click on the Customize section, which is typically located at the top right of your project page. Here, you'll see all the templates associated with the project, including task templates, workflow templates, and other project-related customizations. Step 3. Locating the template you want to delete. Now, in the Customize section, you'll see a list of templates used within the project. This could include various task types like active, in progress, or completed, or custom templates for specific workflows. You can even have templates for statuses, milestones, approvals, etc. For example, let's say you've created a custom task template for test tasks or a specific workflow for your team. You can delete these templates if you no longer need them. Step 4. Deleting a template. Deleting a template is quite simple. Here's how. First, find the template you want to delete under the Task Types section, or whichever section it is listed under. Click on the More Actions, 3 dots, next to the template you want to remove. Select Remove from Project. This will remove the template from your project, effectively deleting it. This method works for most custom templates that you've created. However, it's important to note that some templates, like default task types or system-generated templates, such as milestones or approvals, cannot be deleted. These are built-in features in Asana and are integral to the platform's functionality. If you're not entirely sure whether you want to permanently delete a template, Asana allows you to archive a template instead. Archiving a template keeps it in your account, but it won't appear in active project views. This is a great option if you might want to use the template again in the future, but don't want it cluttering your current workspace. To archive a template, simply follow the same steps as above, but select Archive instead of Remove from Project. Step 5. Double-checking deletion. Once you've deleted a template, it's always a good idea to double-check your project to make sure the template is no longer listed. If it's a custom template, it should be gone from your project setup. If you find that you can't delete a template, it's likely one of the default system templates that Asana doesn't allow you to remove. And that's it. Deleting a template in Asana is quick and easy, but make sure to consider archiving templates if you might need them in the future. Asana allows for a lot of flexibility when it comes to managing tasks and projects, and understanding how to manage your templates can help keep your workspace organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.